Hey, this is Nature Walks with Dawn over at the Zen Zone with our little waterfall. And we actually have two goldfish. I want you to see that made it through all the floods down here. We have our two goldfish and other fish down here. Let's see where they're at. Might be able to focus. And there they are. I'm gonna go around. Here's a little sweetie pie here on the walk with me. I'm gonna go around and see if I can get a better shot. They're both swimming down here, nibbling away. There's one and there's the other one. So I was surprised to see the other one here. Really, it wasn't here last time, so that's good. We have two goldfish down here in the Zen Zone grotto, nibbling away. And you can hear the birds singing. Nibbling away at the insects like they should, real peaceful out. Well, I hope you enjoy. God bless, and Jesus loves you all. With a little sweetie here. Love you. Bye.